Huge announcement today. Unfortunately, not good news. I woke up this morning and I know I was about to send a shipment out to Amazon FBA, and I noticed that I can't sell any items. And I was like, what is going on? And I noticed that the brand that I sell the most, Legos, is regated in my Amazon FBA account. I got this brand ungated a long time ago, and suddenly this morning I wake up and it's regated again. And I went into some of the forums that I'm part of. I was like, what is going on, guys? And I noticed that a lot of people are having the same problem. And as you can see on this website, under the Seller Central, people are having the same. Amazon has suddenly today, September 16th, 2022, suddenly regated all sellers on at least these brands and Lego and Adidas and Nike. Are you experiencing something similar? I know for sure that I. The funny part is that all these brands had ungated me months ago. Like, look, for example, this is one for Lego. I was ungated, free and clear to sell. As you can see, this was right here on May 21st this year. Look, here's another Nike. Nike, I was ungated on Nike. One more, Adidas. All these brands, I went through the trouble of getting ungated. And you know what it means if you are an Amazon FBA seller. You have to go and buy from the manufacturer or from an approved distributor, buy at least 10 units, send them over to an Amazon ungating request with all the evidence, then wait, and then they get back to you and they ungate you. Perfect. And then you're free to go and start buying merchandise, send it to Amazon FBA, and making the money. However, nobody could have predicted what happened today. Today has been the Amazon FBA apocalypse. All the Amazon sellers are experiencing this. First, I thought that it was myself, but then I went to Amazon and see, for example, I type Lego 10300, which is a Back to the Future Lego, which generally using AZ Insight, which is one of the tools that I use to calculate revenue, generally instead of this cross, it's like a nice little green check mark that, yeah, you can go and sell it. Today, all Legos that you try to sell are X. You are not allowed to sell it at all. And when you even go to Amazon Seller Central, it says request approval. This is an ASIN that did not require approval. I was already approved. Today, you need approval suddenly to sell all the stuff that you were approved for selling before. Crazy. What I did today was first, number one, I contacted Amazon support. I explained what the problem was. Again, I thought it was only happening to myself before finding out that it was happening to everybody. And then I resubmitted my ungating request. And as you can see, today I resubmitted and it's still under review. I'm trying to contact Amazon support again. I have a lot of units that are waiting to be shipped and they are just sitting either here at my house or in my prep center. So I'm hoping that they speed this up. But again, it's very uncertain as this is happening in multiple categories to every single seller that I know. So if this is happening to you, first, don't freak out. I'm sure it's going to be sorted out in about a week or so. And second, don't buy any more merch. I stop all my buying until this is resolved. I don't want to continue buying before knowing that I'm going to be successfully ungated again. And worst case scenario, I am going to recall all my merchandise. I'm going to have Amazon send it back to my house. And from there, I'm going to try to sell it on eBay, whatnot, or Mercari or any other platform. But this is a game changer if they are not reinstituting your gating privileges. It's going to be a big issue, since that means that you can't sell in the categories that you were selling before, that you already are familiar with these categories, these products that you are replenishing. It's a big issue. So this might be a deal breaker if Amazon doesn't put their game back together. I'm going to keep you posted. If you guys know what's going on, or if this is happening to you as well, please comment down below. That way we keep each other informed. This will serve as our little forum, as to communicate better on to how to resolve this. And by the way, like and subscribe the video as usual, and I'm going to keep you posted on this situation. Take care.